Hello, everyone, and welcome to ML Crypto, your friendly and knowledge based crypto hub. So, today I'll be bringing something very, very important to your knowledge. So, stay put as I unveil this knowledge to you. So, now what we'll be talking about today is the EMA, the Exponential Moving Average. I'm sure you guys know what it is. So I wouldn't be going into details explaining what it is to you, but well, we all know that there are two kinds of moving averages, the simple moving average and the exponential moving average. And we all know that these two moving averages are lagging indicators. It means they show you or they give you a, how should I even put it? They show you data of price actions of what has happened in the market before, especially the exponential moving average. The only difference is that it gives you data of recent price action, the recent price movement. That's what it gives you. That's the data it gives to you, brother. So, like I said earlier, they are lagging indicators. So today we'll be focusing more on the exponential moving average. There's a technique here, and after today's video, you'll be very thankful that this video was made. I'm sure you are going to start making 100% profits in all your trades. So now we have the from our chart here, we have our chart here. The indicator to here we are employed here is the EMA, the exponential moving average, and the exponential moving average itself is as a resultant of simple moving average calculations. Well, let me not bore you all of that. So what I want to bring to your notice is that if you look at this our chart here, this is our ETH USDT chart. Okay, you see the three simple moving averages here. We have the EMA 5, the EMA 10, and the EMA 20. The EMA 5 is the yellow line, which is the smaller moving average. The smaller exponential moving average. Have the EMA 10, which is the purple, which is the middle one. Then the EMA 20, which is the larger one. Now, what I want you to observe about this moving average, if when you come to this place, you observe that there is a cross between the smaller moving average and the largest moving average, that's the EMA 5 and the EMA 20. Now, when this cross happened, now look at the market direction. It was a downtrend. Do you understand? It was a downtrend. Beginning from here, when this cross happened, down to this place. You understand? So all I'm trying to bring to your notice is that when the smaller exponential moving average crosses below the largest exponential moving average, it is called dead cross. Do you understand me? It is called dead cross or bearish crossover, and that indicates a downtrend. This is the most important part that you need to pay attention to. Now, when you get to this place, as you can see, when this dead cross happened here, the market moved and it was a downtrend up to this point. So when the smaller moving average crosses above the bigger moving average, it indicates a golden cross, and that is a blue is also called a bullish crossover. Do you understand? And you can see that the market changed direction. You see an uptrend. You get? So when it crosses like that, you as a trader, you can enter the market at that point and you see that you make profits. If you enter the market here, you see you would have made profits even down to this place, even down to here, until there was a dead cross here. But immediately there was a dead cross, there was also a golden cross. You understand? Then another dead cross happened here, downtrend, downtrend. You see, up to now. So if I've not entered this trade, what I'll do now is to wait to see another golden cross to happen before I'll talk of buying or longing the market. Do you understand? That's the simple thing about exponential moving average I've loved to bring to your notice. And I'm not saying you should only use this indicator tool. You can combine it with other indicator tools like the MACD. Now, if you look at the MACD here, it's showing that sellers are still in charge of the market. Well, we'll come to that another day. But I just want to bring to your notice today is for you to understand golden cross and dead cross. That is bullish crossover and bearish crossover. I just hope you've learned a lot from today's video, and I hope to hear your comments, and don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget, moving average is a lagging indicator. It only shows you recent, gives you data on recent price movements. It's actually a lagging indicator. Don't forget that. Thank you very much.